One thing is common to all the bookworms that we love reading, obviously. At the same time, we want to buy more and more books. And I have this tendency to buy books sometimes not for me, but for my bookshelf. I'm sure that most of you can relate with this. But one thing that stops us is obviously money. Okay, recently, like some 2 to 3 weeks ago, in my Instagram account, I got some messages from some of you asking me for some book recommendations. But some of you also told me that there's a problem, Deep, that we cannot spend so much money on books. And let me tell you that this is not only your problem. In fact, me and others also face the same problem. Like, we cannot spend so much money on books. In my case, also, I want to buy so many books, I want to read so many books, but the thing is, they are quite expensive. So I cannot manage, like, to buy those books. But yeah, these days I can manage some 2 to 3 books once in a month. So here I am going to talk about 12 most amazing books. Those are really cheaper in prices. And don't worry, I'm going to share the link of all those books in my description box. And one more thing, just because they are cheaper in price, it's not like they are not worth reading. They are worth reading. They are worldwide popular. They are really amazing and really famous books. So you must read. So without any delay, let's get started. The first book I'm going to share in this video is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. I got this book for 59 rupees only. Just imagine, 59 rupees. And this is one of the most famous and most amazing books. Like, you will find some great reviews on this book. And the best part about this book is this is short. Like, it's hardly 85 pages long. You can complete it in 1 hour. Like, I complete it in 1 hour. Like, you can complete it in one sit. So this is amazing. You can definitely pick up this book. So this book is simple yet effective if you apply it in your life. Okay, so the whole book talks about the thought process of human being. Like, you can guess from this picture only, it talks about the thought process of human being and how can we control these thoughts before they control us. Writer James, sorry, writer James Allen said that a human being is literally what he thinks. His character is the complete sum of his thoughts. And I totally agree with that. Like, can you believe a single moment in your whole day when your mind is completely blank? No. Our mind is full of thoughts, full of random thoughts, not only one thought. We change thoughts in seconds. In my case, not only in my case, every human being. Like, can you believe a normal human being has more than 6,020 thoughts per day? Well, I haven't counted, but according to sources, a human being has more than 6,000 thoughts per day, random thoughts. And I heard some of my friends say that उनको नींद नहीं आती just after going to bed because of some thoughts. So just imagine how powerful these thoughts are. So this book is whole about those thoughts, and if you read this book, it will help you to control those thoughts, how to control those thoughts, and how to understand those thoughts, how to just stick to one thought only, not just random thoughts. The next book I'm going to share in this video is The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. I got this book for 70 rupees only. 70 rupees. And this is one of the most beautiful book I have ever read in my life. And book like this make you realize how powerful literature is. You know, this book make you realize that magic doesn't exist in equation only. Magic exists in words too. There's a movie called That Poet Society. In that movie, there's a character called John Kittling. The character John Kittling said that no matter what people say, but words and ideas can change the world. So this is that kind of book. This book, the wordings in this book can change the world. Yes. And I'm telling you that after reading this book, it's not like you will understand this book in one read. You have to read more than 3 times. I myself have read this book more than 3 times, and still I have some doubts. But again, this is the real masterpiece. Okay, coming back to this beautiful book, The Prophet has 26 chapters. And the best part about this book is its language, its words, and poetic beauty, as I said. And it talks about so many things like love, marriage, friendship, earning, giving birth, children, everything. It's talk about everything, freedom. And one such example I'm going to share with you guys, like in page number 29, he talks about children. Okay, so see what he has to talk about children. Your children are not your children. They are sons and daughters of life longing for itself. They come through you but not from you. And though they are not with you, yet they belong not to you. You may give them your love but not your thoughts. For they have their own thoughts. And there are so many lines, so many sentences, and it's so deep that you have to read it more than twice. Then only you can you can understand how deep, how beautiful this work is. The third book in my video that I'm gonna share is the Autobiography of Yogi by Paramhansa Yogananda. I got this book for 99 rupees, which is available in Amazon. I'll share the link. Well, I haven't read so many biographies and autobiographies in my life, but this one is special. Why this book is special? Because it's about yogi, guys. Yogi will definitely change your perspectives towards life. We all know yogi, but this has written so beautifully that you must read. And this is especially for those people, those who are on the path of self-realization, yoga, peace, especially for those people. Yes. Under the spreading chestnut tree, I sold you, you sold me. You guessed it right. Fourth book is 1984 by George Orwell. I got this book for 120 rupees. And don't just look for its price, guys. It's a true work of genius and one of my favorite book. This book is one of the greatest classic in the field of literature. It's a dystopian novel and it is inspired from totalitarianism. I hope I pronounced it well. Totalitarianism, yes. Dystopian literature. Look at this book. This one symbolizes eyes. Okay, like Big Brother is watching. There's this very famous line in this book: Big Brother is watching you. Just imagine in your life there is no privacy left. Okay, whenever you go, someone is watching you. You cannot use your phone, you cannot watch TV, you cannot talk with somebody, you cannot write diaries, you cannot have affair, you cannot do anything except just living and work for Big Brother. So this kind of book, this is a completely different world. You will get goosebumps whenever you will read this book. This is that much terrifying. So pick up this book if you love this kind of book. This is a dystopian literature and it's a classic basically. The fifth book I'm going to share in this video is Who Will Cry After You Die by Robin Sharma. I got this book for 130 rupees. Yes, this is one of the best book when it comes to motivational book, non-fiction motivational book. And the best part about this book is its language. It's just so simple, like everyone can read this book. Motivation at the same time, definitely pick up this book. It has more than 100 chapters and it's talk about so many things like discover your calling, talk to yourself, model a child, learn to be silent, honor your past, develop an honesty philosophy, like honest philosophy, practice tough love, keep a journal, maintain your perspective. Like there's so many things. Focus on writing, bless your money, write thank you notes. So yeah, it's a good motivational book. Next book I'm gonna share is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Right now I don't have the hard copy, but I got this book for 77 rupees. It's a timeless classic, by the way. It's a gothic and science fiction. You loved it if you love science fiction. So it talks about when our pride, human pride, playing with God, when technology interferes the values we are holding, especially your body. So I'm not gonna give you a spoiler, by the way, but this book is great. It's a science fiction, by the way, and completely unrealistic, but you will love it. Those who love science fiction, you will definitely love it. The next book I'm gonna share is One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat. I got this book for 105 rupees and I hope that it is still available in 105 rupees. Well, this is the first Chetan Bhagat book I have read, and I haven't read so many books by him, but some 3 to 4 books. I don't understand why people hate this book because I just enjoyed it. I loved it. And if you're a beginner, if you want to start reading books, then Chetan Bhagat books are amazing. They are really good. And yeah, there are so many controversies in his book of his, especially by Half Girlfriend. But I love this one, especially Revelation 2020. I just love that both these books. The next book I'm going to share is Diary of a Young Girl by Annie Frank. I'm sure most of you already know about this book because this has been included in our course curriculum. When I was in ninth standard, it was in our course curriculum, but it was a part, okay, not the whole novel. Then I pick up the whole novel, and without a doubt, I'll give this diary 5 star. Just imagine a 12-year-old girl writing her diary with such maturity and feeling. You will definitely love this book, and I'm sure most of you already know about this book. So yeah, those who don't know about this book, please pick up this book. Okay. The next book I'm gonna share is a timeless classic of English literature, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. I got this book for 99 rupees, but again, this is not available right now in a hard copy. It was recommended by one of my Chashmish friend, and I'm glad that I have read this one. But initially I didn't get this book. I don't know why. But recently, some like 4 to 5 months ago, I read this book, and I'm glad that I have read this book. This is a timeless classic about romance, and you will find about the jazz age of America just right after First World War. Yeah, it is also available in a movie form, but I'll suggest to pick up this book because book is more amazing. The next book I'm going to share is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. I got this book for 120 rupees, that much cheap. This is a very short novella, and it's a nice one. This was a part of my PG course syllabi, and I have read this so many times, and whenever I read this book I find something new, something deeper. The story is so simple, but this is the finest example of iceberg theory. When the wanted part is available, you can see, but the remaining part, the writer must left for the readers to discover. Believe me, this is a short story, but there are so many symbols, so many deep meanings you have to discover while reading. Story is so simple. It's talk about a fisherman Santiago, and who engage with the battle with nature, ocean, and a marlin fish. I'll not give you a spoiler, but there are so many things that you will discover while reading. There's a famous dialogue I want to share with you guys, that a quote. Okay, man is not made for defeat, he said. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. And there are so many things that you need to know, about this book. This is a masterpiece. Last but not the least, Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. I got this book for 70 rupees, and I'm sure it's still available in 70 rupees in Amazon. Please pick up this book. This is a beautiful book I have ever read. It's a nice one. Okay, it's a simple book about a village girl called Bindia and her love and obsession for a blue umbrella. And the entire novel, she keep that umbrella from everyone. The plot is simple, but when you read this book, you will find the emotions. Okay, the love for small things. And one such great example from this book is that the greatest joy is in giving, not owning something. So yeah, pick up this book. It's a nice one. So these are the books which I have been talking about, and all these books are available in Amazon under 150 rupees, 60, 70, 90, 100. And there are other books also, most amazing books, most amazing classics available in Amazon. If you want my reviews on classics under 100 rupees, you can definitely give a comment in my comment section below. So if you love the video, please give a thumbs up, comment me in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Next video aa raha hai on classics, so please subscribe.